Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. If you are tired of the new user interface and you would like to activate the old one, you can actually do this for free via the Lightning Launcher app. It is available in the Quest store. I've done a video showing how you can do it through Quest Games Optimizer, but that does cost a little bit of money and you kind of have to sideload it onto your Quest. But this one is free. Click on Lightning Launcher. Once you're in this, you are going to go into, it might have you on games. Make sure you go over to apps. Click on Android settings, hit open, go to apps. You're going to need to scroll down until you see Meta Horizon Shell. Click on that, scroll down to storage and cache, click clear storage. And now you can see it's brought up the old interface there. If I click on library, there we go. We have the old one there. Pretty slick actually. It worked very well here. You can go through and see that it is all very similar to the way that it was before. Now I just reset the headset and it has brought back up the new user interface. So if you want to go back and forth between them, that is how you can do it. But if you are in Lightning Launcher, you get the old user interface and you want to keep it for a while, don't turn your headset all the way off, just put it to sleep. But every time that you do a full reset or power down, you will have to go back into Lightning Launcher and follow that same process. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.